Okay, ready?
Hey YouTube.
Wait. Now.
Hey YouTube. Well, I'm waiting. I just set up my account, so I've realized that no one has done a review of a Elite gun yet. So I'm gonna do a review of the Nerf Elite Firestrike. Basically, this gun is just a beefed up night finder. So it claims to shoot about 75 feet. Well, I've ranged it out and it shoots about 45, but we're gonna range it again. Okay? So I guess let's get to the shooting. Okay. Holding it straight and straight, and 3, 2, 1. Okay. That landed about.
On the front porch.
I got it. Okay. Here, Jonah, hand me a tape measure. So I was standing right here. Here. Here, can you hold it, Jonah? This? Yeah, this.
Mike, did you like on your bike? It's a Jeep X15.
Done.
Come stand where I am. Mike, the training wheels say Jeep. The handle.
That's 8 inches already.
Handle goes say Jeep. The training wheels say Jeep. The bike says Jeep X16.
Okay.
Another
9 inches.
Mom, I'm gonna need a little help here.
Hold on.
Never mind.
Are you okay?
Mom, right here I needed help. That place is not working right.
So 16 times 3 is 45, right?
48.
48, and then plus 11, so it'd be 50, 59 or 60. So it shoots about 60 feet. So it's a pretty good gun. It does have the laser, see? But the thing is, it does, this one you can't move, so it's exact. It doesn't give you an idea, it's practically exact. So, well, that's all for now. I'll see you next time. Hey, check out my Nerf video. I'm gonna make this real soon. I'll try and get it out as soon as I can. Okay, bye.